Hi everybody, welcome to our new video. Today I will compare two OLED TV in this video. So let's go. Now enjoy this video. Firstly, we start design. Dimension. Weight. Volume. Visa mount. Operating temperature. Part 2. Display. Display type. Display size. Display resolution. Pixel density. Display color. Bit depth. Refresh rate. Video processor. HDR format. Part 3. Features. TV platform. Voice assistant. Support USB recording. Supported internet service. Warranty provided. Part 4. Connectivity. Bluetooth. Wi-Fi. Number of HDMI. USB port. .5 mm audio jack. DVB standards. Thanks for watching. For more updates, subscribe to my channel.